So today I'm going to do a tour of my room here in Norway. I'm going to study at campus Grivi, and this week I just arrived in my room, and a few days ago I went to a second-hand shop and to a normal shop to buy some things to make it a little bit nice. And I also brought a few pictures with me from my previous travels. I thought it would be fun to show my room and to show the common room as well, and the kitchen, because I'm sharing this block with 5 other girls. But there's also a bigger common room and a bigger kitchen. So yeah, first I will take you with me to the normal common room for everyone. Then I will take you with me to the common room for the 6 of us and the kitchen. And then I will do a tour of my little room where I'm going to spend these 5 months. So yeah, follow my channel, subscribe, I would say, if you want to see the vlogs from Norway here. But now I will show you my room, which I'm going to be staying in for 5 months. So let's go. Okay, I'm staying at Grivi Storytime, as I just told you, in a village called Bø in Norway. So if we walk in the campus, this is actually like the first common room, and it's the common kitchen, and everyone can use this kitchen. Until now we mostly played like games in there or just chatted away, but not really cooking or anything like that because everyone has their own kitchen. Here's a nice little sitting area, and oh, actually I made use of it once, of the oven, for drying vegetables that you can see in the next video, but the rest I use my own oven. Here we go to the cinema room. So this is the cinema room, and we had actually quite a few parties here already. Like, we played music, we watched a movie, we watched Footloose, which was really nice. And if all of the chairs are gone, like, it's a good room to dance in. And then this is the other part of the common area, and this is the like normal common area, you could say. You can play games here as well, which we sometimes do. And I don't know, it's a beautiful area where you can sit and just chat with people. So that's really, really nice. And you can close all of the doors, like, and make 3 rooms out of it, but you can also choose to make one big room if you open all of the doors. Okay, and now let's go to my little room. So this is the door we need to go through. The keys are still a little bit difficult, but we made it. Okay, so let's go to our little kitchen. So this is our little kitchen. So it has a table, it has a little sofa, which is actually really, really comfortable. It has 2 fridges, 1 freezer. Everyone has their own cupboard. A lot of storing space. Another fridge. Yeah, and again, this table. Yeah, it's not that big, so there's not much to see. I bought this stuff already, like marmalade and something to cook in. Oh, and this is the dinner I made in the previous video, so check that one out. And I bought some vegetables and stuff like that. And in the freezer, I also bought a few things like fake meat and some vegetables that I can just always use. Wow, it's really empty here. I'm recording this a couple weeks after, so it looks very different right now. It looks much fuller, but yeah, here I just arrived, of course. And oh, and what's in my cupboard? Let's see. It is some dates, some tea, some little snacks that I brought with me, and some potatoes, couscous, beans, chickpeas, pasta, banana, ooh, some chocolate. The chocolate here, guys, it's unbelievable. Some cornflakes, because I always eat cornflakes in the mornings. It's my addiction, I know. And some crackers and some more tea. Yeah, it was really empty. It looks a little different right now. Oh, and then we got even more storage space here, but I don't really use that much because I don't have that much stuff, of course. We can just take some plates and some cups that were here. This cup I bought in a vintage store. Oh, and this plate I bought in a vintage store as well from the previous video. Yeah, I'm cooking here every single day.
Wow.
But now let's go to my room, of course, because that's what everyone wants to see. No, just kidding. It's not special at all. Okay, let's go. So when I enter my room, the first thing we see is my bags and my shoes. On the right side is the bathroom. You can open it like this, the lights on. I have a nice little shower, like a lot of space, a toilet, a mirror and stuff. I bought some soap here, and these things I brought with me. These are handmade soaps. And these things I bought here as well, shampoo and conditioner. This is my stuff here. And then we first have this table, some stuff I bought. I love these candles. This is just a normal mug, but it broke. Where is it? Oh, here. It broke when I wanted to put hot water in it. So I thought, okay, let's just reuse it. Then we got this. I brought fairy lights with me. Tip, bring fairy lights with you if you're going to stay abroad for a long time, but take the batteries out because batteries can weigh quite a bit. So, and I brought quite a few fairy lights. So yeah, leave the batteries at home, buy them here. That's what I did. Okay, this is the closet. I have a lot of space. I got some towels, some just pajamas, some things for the expeditions, which I'm going to need for the course here in Norway. Same pants, long and short, shirts, underwear and socks, and big sweaters. And then we got some stuff. I didn't bring hangers with me. And this is also expedition stuff, which I will need in a few weeks from now. Then we got this chair, which is really comfortable. I bought this fleece blanket because I don't know, it's a nice color and I think it will be really nice to put it on me, especially in the evenings. I also bought this postcard. Look how beautiful it is. I also bought these little glass things, 6 of them for €2 at the secondhand shop, and I bought some candles to go with it. I bought a beautiful plant. I love plants. We got a chair and a desk and some stuff, like enough storage space. We also got this big closet. And this is another postcard I bought. It's so beautiful. This is a disposable camera. I took all of these pictures with this, but this one is new so I can use it. And I always try to make a picture in moments that I'm really happy, but yeah, most of the times when I'm really happy, I'm forgetting about this disposable camera. Then we have got my side bed desk-ish. This headphone I got from my job because I quit there, and my colleagues gave me this, which was really nice. And it's really nice actually. It's noise. It's, how do you say? It's noise cancelling. So that's really nice just when there's noise around. Another plant I bought €5 each at a supermarket here, which is really nice. And a little postcard. And this one I bought in Berlin actually when I was traveling there. And I don't know, it's so beautiful. I got another one here. Look how pretty. So pretty. And then we got the bed, which is so comfortable. So comfortable. Yes, I really like it. The sheets as well. Yeah, perfect. And then underneath my bed, there's like a mat, and it's meant to be for sleeping, well, with the expeditions and stuff, but I use it now as a yoga mat. But it's like, let's see. It's like this material. So it's not really a yoga mat, of course. And then we got a balcony. I got a neighbor over there with a plant and a nice little chair. And then look at this view, by the way. That's where my fitness is. Yes guys, I started a gym membership. Okay, let's do the stories of every picture with the disposable camera. This one was in Tanzania, at a beautiful, beautiful village called Lesotho. This is Tain and this is Luthia, and this was in South Africa. It was one of the best nights, I think. We put our towels out and started looking at the sky, and I was seeing all the stars. I saw my first shooting star. Yeah, it was really pretty. I even got this tattoo as a memory of that, because it really reminds me of this night and those people and that place. So yeah, beautiful. Okay, then we got my dog Jack at home. This one was in Tanzania as well. Chapati, if you're ever in Tanzania, chapati is the way to go. I think in my whole trip, maybe this was the meal I enjoyed the most. It was so good. This was in Namibia, and this is the first night that me and my friend that I met in Cape Town, Nina, she's called. This is the first time we went wild camping. So we went to Namibia, rented a car, rented camping gear, and we went wild camping. But this is actually in Etosha National Park, which was not wild camping, but still was like the first time in Namibia camping. So I don't know, it was so cool. I remember the adrenaline and the excitement when we were putting up the tents, like, oh my fucking god, we're just here, you know? And this is in Zanzibar. Look at the blue water, how blue it is. It has a black stain, but it's still very nice for me, because I was explaining it to a guy that I made photos with a disposable camera, and he was from Dubai. No, sorry, from Abu Dhabi. And he said, oh, I can take a picture of you. And me and my friend, we had such an amazing time with those guys, and we partied many times, and eventually like we got a really good connection, all of us. So yeah, it was such a good time there on Zanzibar with them. This is Luana with the friend who I was just with those people, and she's from Switzerland, and this is her best friend Leia. And I met her in Zanzibar, and Leia came to visit her. And yeah, I traveled quite a bit with Luana, and Leia visited Amsterdam a few months ago. So okay, I went to Amsterdam to see her again, and I stayed there overnight. Yeah, this place, guys, if you're ever going to Paje in Zanzibar, go to Drifters. Like, the hostel is right on the beach. It is so beautiful, and there were just a lot of cool people. And super cheap and really fun. And oh my god, the beach. I'm usually not a beach girl, but I stayed there for 2 weeks, so that's saying enough. This was the workaway I did in South Africa. If you look closely, you can see people on horses there with the sunset and with some beer in their hands. And we did kind of like a shooting day, because one of the girls did a lot on Instagram and she needed some footage for her on Instagram. And I was driving the 4x4 truck just on the same speed as the horses, and some people were in the back filming and some people were riding the horses. So that was a really fun day. This was at a spiritual hostel, and as you can see, a girl is writing lyrics and this guy is playing the guitar. This is the workaway in South Africa again with the horses. This was such a cute little horse, so beautiful. It was like a baby horse. These are elephants, and this is a baby elephant, so pretty. Then we got this side. This is Drifters and Zanzibar. Oh my god. Can you see it? And then imagine such a blue sea over there, like as blue as the sky. And it was so cheap. I paid like €8 per night for a dorm. And every night we had these common dinners at the big table, and everyone was eating there. And I think I stayed there for like 2 weeks. And that's a lot for who's not a beach girl and not a swim girl. I don't really like it a lot, but here it was just so nice, and with Luana, Leia, and some other people that we met over there. This is me there as well. Yes, smoking some herbs. Then let's get on the bed. Okay, we got Lake Bled in Slovenia. Look how beautiful. I was walking up there with to a castle, and that was the view from the castle. So beautiful, wow. This is Plitvice Lakes again in Croatia, another picture. This is Lake Bled as well, but from a different perspective. Yes, and I think these are all of the pictures that I got in my room. Yeah, and with this disposable I made a few in Bulgaria, and let's see if I make a few here. So that's my room here in Norway, and a common room and everything at Campus Grivi in Bo in Norway. I'm going to stay here for 5 months in my room. Let's see how it looks after 5 months. Maybe I can do another video, but then 5 months later, what changed. So thank you so much for watching. I will show a few clips of how it looks in the evening, like if I put the candles on and if I put the fairy lights on, because it really adds a lot of nice atmosphere here, you know. So yeah, you will see those shots right now. And thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the Norwegian vlog, subscribe and like and comment if you liked this video. Comment what you think of it. Would you be able to stay here for 5 months? I'm curious. And yeah, I will see you in my next video.